Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today we are diving into the rich and vibrant flavors of Goan cuisine with a classic dish, Goan Sardine fish curry. This traditional recipe brings together the freshness of sardines, a melody of aromatic spices and the tangy kick of tamarind, creating a delicious authentic curry that's sure to tantalize your taste buds. Join me as we explore the step-by-step process of making this delightful dish right in your kitchen. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 13 medium sardine fish, cut and clean, add some salt to taste, give this a nice mix and marinate this for about 1 hour. Then take a mixer jar, add 3 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 6 Goan dry red chilies, 5 garlic cloves, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 2 cm round tamarind soaked in water, 3 tablespoon dry coriander seeds, 200 grams of freshly grated coconut, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, add 1 cup water, then blend this to a paste. So the masala paste is ready now. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then in a hot pan add the curry masala. Add 1 cup water. Then give this a mix and see if it needs any more water. Add 1 more cup water for nice curry consistency and give this a mix and check. It must be something like this. Then add 4 green chilies, 1 tomato chopped, 12 dry kokum fruits or BINDA SOLA. Add some salt to taste and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 1 tablespoon TEPPAL. Then add the marinated fish and give this a gentle mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then give this a mix. Then cover and cook until the fish is nicely cooked. Then give this a nice mix. Make sure to be very gentle as the fish is very soft. Make sure the thickness of the curry is something like this. And there you have it, our delicious Goan Sardine fish curry. I hope you enjoyed cooking along and that you are as excited to taste this as I am. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes. Leave a comment below and let us know how your curry turned out or if you have any variations you would like to share. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.